Hi students, my name is Yashika Hargunani and I am your sociology educator for the NTA UGC NET category and other competitive examinations. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Are you also someone who is preparing for the NTA UGC NET June 2026 examination and you're confused that from where do you need to start if you want to start your basics? You are at the right space, students. I am coming up with a new series on YouTube, students, YouTube videos जहाँ पे हम cover करेंगे Sociology Booster Pro series. Now, what is this Sociology Booster Pro series? We are going to focus on covering simple concepts or complex concepts in this particular series, but our focus is going to be कि हम JRF को achieve करें इस बार. So hence very important that you follow this series from first to last. I'm going to give you all the details about this in the coming video, so stay tuned. Welcome to Everything About Sociology to all my students. As you all know that we have already launched our application for Everything About Sociology. You can download the application right away and get all the benefits of the free classes, paid classes, so on and so forth, free mocks. बहुत कुछ है, so make sure you download from the description box. Without wasting any time, let us begin with this particular video and session on NTA UGC NET और CUET PG 2026. Now, students, आप सब जानते हैं that UGC NET का जो syllabus है when we talk about sociology, it is very dynamic in nature. बहुत ज़्यादा complex है and not only that बहुत ज़्यादा elaborative है. And hence it becomes very important that हम systematically इस syllabus को cover करें, right? एंड सिर्फ पेड क्लासेस में हम पूरा कवर नहीं कर पाते हैं, फ्री क्लासेस तो बहुत क्लटर्ड रहता है. So I am coming up here with this very important initiative where I am going to cover concepts of sociology in a very crisp manner with all of you, right? And this will not just be beneficial for the UGC NET sociology aspirants, but other sociology competitive examinations like CUET PG aspirants also, जो कि अभी अपना एग्जाम देने वाले हैं in the month of March, right? Not only that, हम यहाँ पे इस तरीके से आपको concepts पढ़ाएंगे sociology का, so that you remember those concepts and you're able to apply your conceptual understanding to the questions, right? So this will help you in your revision when it comes to sociology syllabus of any competitive examination. So this is an orientation session where I'm just going to cover कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं और कैसे करने वाले हैं. So stay tuned from first to last so that you exactly know. Now, let's move ahead and I would give you a brief introduction about me. My name is Yashika Sanjay Hargunani. I am a PhD research scholar in sociology at HSNC University, Mumbai. I have been an ex-Unacademy educator and I have taught for NTA UGC NET sociology category for the past 2 years. I have 4+ years of teaching experience when it comes to sociology competitive examinations. I have taught in various schools and colleges too. नॉट ओनली दैट स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने पीएचडी गाइडेंस मेंटोरशिप भी दिया है स्टूडेंट्स को व्हेन इट कम्स टू देयर रिसर्च टॉपिक, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. Overall, I have 5 years of experience when it comes to competitive examinations guidance. So this is about me. Every time whenever connect with me, you should know exactly कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, because that becomes important that you know your educator before you start learning from them. So at Everything About Sociology, we are here with a lot of courses for all of you. You can enroll now in these courses. This is specifically for the UGC NET aspirants. June 2026 courses are live. You can download the app. The link of the application is given in the description box. You can go for paper 1 courses, paper 2 courses or combined courses as per your needs. Okay guys. So a little bit about me more when it comes to paid classes. As you all know, मैं already बहुत सालों से पढ़ा चुकी हूँ sociology. So I am someone who knows the subject really well and I have been guiding students for the longest time now. So my courses are always very comprehensive in nature. That means मैं बहुत slow तरीके से पढ़ाना पसंद करती हूँ. I don't like having flash classes or I don't teach in a flash manner. So my ongoing course is on Sociological Theory Unit 1. You can go for this course using my code YASHICASH. So now or never situation है, अगर आप अभी join करना चाहते हैं, so make sure you do so. What are the benefits you get joining my classes at paid classes? You get live interactive classes where you can chat with me, you can ask your questions. You get best in class study materials. मैं class से पहले भी material provide करती हूँ, and with that you also get the PDF of the class. Not only that, doubt clearing sessions regular Sundays को होता है, discussions होते हैं on PYQs, and I always explain the concept with relatable examples. काफी ज्यादा स्लो तरीके से पढ़ाना मैं पसंद करती हूँ, so that students को ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आए. सो अब की बार अगर आपको JRF करना है, make sure you join my particular course. Okay, so today is the last day of the offer. This is for limited time students. Make sure you take this offer. You get 10% off on NTA UGC net subscription, which is valid on all the courses for paper 1, paper 2. You can get it now using my code YashiCash. Now let's dive in to the session quickly. I've given you all the details of the offer, everything. जितना जरूरी था मैं आपको सब बता चुकी हूँ, right? So when we talk about this series जो मैं बोल रही हूँ बूस्टर प्रो सीरीज, ये exactly है क्या और ये कैसे बेनिफिट करेगा आपको? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये जो सीरीज है इस तरीके से बेनिफिशियल है स्टूडेंट्स कि कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो व्हेन इट कम्स टू सोशियोलॉजी, इट विल बेनिफिट यू, बिकॉज यूजीसी नेट का जो सिलेबस है बहुत ज्यादा डायनामिक है, बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स है. So if you are someone who is targeting, you know, PhD examinations, UGC NET, JRF, you are supposed to follow this series from first to last. Now there are many students जिन्होंने already PhD crack कर लिया, they only got PhD only category. They could not crack NET or JRF. That's because obviously your conceptual understanding lacks somewhere. So I'm coming up with this series. CUET PG aspirants also can follow this series because it's going to help them answer questions beautifully. बिल्कुल problem नहीं होगा. RPSC, MPPSC, GATE, PhD, all types of sociology competitive examinations can follow this particular series. इसमें मैं बहुत ज़्यादा updated तरीके से आप सबको पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. Part 1 to 30. There are going to be 30 parts in this, and we are going to cover only essential concepts in a very crisp manner. That means यहाँ पे आपको notes नहीं मिलेंगे कि बहुत सारे bulky notes हैं, but with a lot of pictures, with a lot of pictographics and little notes, bullet points, we will learn the concepts. So booster का मतलब ही ये होता है, boost is the secret of our energy, right? हम कोई भी चीज पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं तो उसे बहुत shortcut में हम पढ़ के complete करेंगे. It is going to help you for your last minute revision as well. Now क्या ये paid students को नहीं देखना है? Not really. Paid students also are supposed to follow this series from first to last, because I'm not going to cover these concepts in the paid courses. So this is exclusive and it is important for you to follow, either if you're a paid student or a free student. ये सीरीज पूरा सिलेबस नहीं कवर करने वाला है. इट्स नॉट कि मैं पूरा सिलेबस यहीं पे कवर कर रही हूँ, बट ओनली द एसेंशियल कॉन्सेप्ट्स वुड बी कवर्ड. सेपरेट हिंदी नोट्स इसके प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे एप्लीकेशन में रेगुलरली एवरी सैटरडे. So you can go to the application, register yourself and download the notes for yourself. बार बार कमेंट सेक्शन में नोट्स के लिए नहीं बोलना है. These sessions are going to be very short in nature. That means सिर्फ 20 to 25 minutes के ये sessions होंगे. Now why do I keep these sessions very short in nature? पहले के जमाने में जब हम मूवीज देखते थे, हम थिएटर जाते थे मूवीज देखने, इट वॉज वेरी इजी फॉर अस बिकॉज हम लोग 2 से 3 घंटे की मूवी बहुत आराम से देख लेते थे. बहुत अटेंशन स्पैन हमारा जो था वो लॉन्गेटिविटी के साथ रहता था. बट धीरे धीरे अब जब हम इंस्टाग्राम के एज में आ चुके हैं, रील्स देखने की एज में आ चुके हैं, यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स देखने की एज में आ चुके हैं, हमारा जो अटेंशन स्पैन है वो बहुत ज्यादा डिक्रीज हो चुका है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू मूव विद द जनरेशन एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग सच सीरीज जहां पे हम 20 मिनट्स में कॉन्सेप्ट कवर कर रहे हैं, so that your attention is, even if your attention span is not, you're very distracted as a person, but आप आते जाते ट्रैवल करते हुए भी ये कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज कर सकते हैं सोशियोलॉजी के वेरी वेरी इजी. नाउ ये सेशंस आपको कब मिलेंगे? प्लीज रिमेंबर द टाइमिंग ऑफ द सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी एट 6 PM ओनली ऑन एवरीथिंग अबाउट सोशियोलॉजी. सो मेक श्योर आप सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं टू दिस चैनल, बिकॉज यहीं पे आपको मिलेगा ऑल द वीडियोज. ओके, 6 PM. हफ्ते में 3 बार ये सेशंस होंगे, मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे, बट आई विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग मोर सेशंस एज पर जितना मैं क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. मेक श्योर यू लाइक दिस सेशन एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन which concepts do you want me to cover. Share it with more and more sociology aspirants so that they know that the series is starting. You can join my Telegram channel for all free class links. जितने भी free classes होते हैं, notes होते हैं, PDFs होते हैं, मैं यहीं पे provide करती हूँ. The name of the Telegram channel is Everything About Sociology. The link will be given in the description box below. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for joining in this session. Please stay tuned for the next session where I'll start with the Booster Pro series. Thank you very much, students. Bye bye. Take care.